Stop by and take a look at the 2015 RX 350. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, intermittent wipers, luggage rack, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find backup camera, leather upholstery, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.